In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a team in Canva. Working inside a shared Canva team can make collaboration much easier, especially if you regularly create presentations, marketing materials, social posts, or branded templates with other people. Instead of sending files back and forth, you can work from one shared space and keep everything organized in one place. So let's walk through exactly how to join a Canva team step by step. To begin, locate your team invitation. This usually arrives either as a direct invite link from your team lead or as an email notification from Canva. Open the message carefully and look for the main action button, usually labeled Join the Team or Accept Invitation. Once you find it, click it to continue. If you received more than one invite, make sure you open the correct one so you enter the intended workspace. After clicking the invitation, Canva will open in a new browser tab and take you to the Sign In page. If you already have a Canva account, simply sign in using your existing account details or continue with the Sign In option connected to your account. If you're new to Canva, you'll need to create an account first. During that setup, it's usually best to use the same email address the invitation was sent to, since that helps Canva match your invite correctly and speeds up the process. Once your invitation is verified, Canva may show you a short welcome or onboarding screen. Go through the prompts on screen and review the information provided about the workspace. In some cases, you may also be asked to choose a role or confirm how you'll be using the account. This helps Canva apply the right permissions so your access matches what your team needs you to see and edit. When you reach the Canva homepage, the next thing to do is switch into the correct team workspace. Look toward the top left area of the screen and click your profile icon or account name. This opens a menu showing the workspaces connected to your account. From there, select the new team workspace to activate it. Once selected, Canva will refresh and load the shared team environment. Finally, take a quick look around to confirm that everything is set up properly. On the left-hand sidebar, you should now see areas such as Brand and Shared with You. Open Shared with You to check for team files, shared designs, or presentation templates. If you can see those shared assets, that's a good sign that you've successfully joined the team and are ready to start collaborating. And that's it. You've now joined a team in Canva and can move between your personal workspace and your shared team workspace whenever needed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.